Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly unexpected yet fascinating to talk about: the brand new 2025 BMW Auto Rickshaw. Yes, you heard that right. BMW, the luxury car maker known for high-performance sedans and SUVs, has entered the world of compact, urban mobility with a twist: a four-wheeled auto rickshaw that's rewriting all the rules. At first glance, this new BMW Auto Rickshaw is like nothing we've seen before. It blends the traditional practicality of a rickshaw with the premium styling and innovation BMW is famous for. From the outside, it has a futuristic silhouette with aerodynamic lines and bold LED lighting. The signature kidney grille is reimagined in a smaller, sleeker form, giving it that unmistakable BMW identity while keeping things minimal and city-friendly. One of the biggest changes? It rolls on four wheels instead of the usual three. This gives it enhanced stability and better road presence. BMW has designed it to handle urban roads with maximum efficiency, offering greater balance especially at higher speeds or on uneven terrain. The wheels themselves are compact but stylish alloy, of course with disc brakes on all sides to ensure top-notch stopping power. Powering this innovative ride is a fully electric motor. BMW has used technology borrowed from its I-Series electric vehicles, offering a battery pack that gives a range of up to 180 kilometers on a full charge. It supports fast charging, going from 0 to 80% in just under 40 minutes. The motor delivers smooth torque, enough to zip through city traffic effortlessly, while staying completely silent. No engine noise, no pollution, just clean, quiet mobility. Now let's talk about comfort and features. Though we won't go into interior details today, it's worth noting that the overall design reflects a shift in thinking. The BMW Rickshaw is meant to be more than just a mode of transport, it's a statement of modern, urban living. It's compact, lightweight, and smartly integrated with tech. It comes with smart connectivity options, including app-based controls, GPS navigation, and even voice command functions, all geared towards a next-gen commuting experience. Safety has also been a top priority. The frame is reinforced with lightweight alloys for extra protection, and there are multiple sensors placed all around the vehicle for proximity warnings and parking assistance. A reverse camera and even automatic emergency braking are part of the standard package, which is unheard of in traditional rickshaws. BMW says this model is part of its new urban mobility project, aimed at emerging markets where compact transport is in high demand. They're not trying to replace traditional luxury cars, instead, they're redefining luxury in a compact format, designed for crowded streets and environmentally conscious lifestyles. So, who is this rickshaw for? It's aimed at professional drivers, rideshare services, and even private users who want a stylish, eco-friendly way to get around the city. It's not just practical, it's aspirational. And while pricing details are still under wraps, it's expected to be competitively priced, especially with government subsidies for EVs in many countries. There's no denying that the 2025 BMW Auto Rickshaw is an unconventional move, but it could also be a game changer. It blends the best of both worlds, the utility of a traditional rickshaw with the class and tech of a BMW. If you found this concept as interesting as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you ride in a BMW rickshaw? Or better yet, would you buy one? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.